Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, man, today we're gonna react to a new song of Pugoy na Koy Koy. Man, title is Tatlong Wife. Man, this is official music video. Shit, man, Pugoy na Koy Koy is still flexing on us with this Tatlong Wife, no? Tatlong Wife, what a life. Parang si Tengen lang ng ng Demon Slayer eh. But yeah, we're gonna check the new song of Pugoy na Koy Koy, again, Tatlong Wife, man. Without no further ado, let's get it.
Joyce parang mafia.
Okay.
Tatlong wife, what a life, what a life, what a life. Tatlong wife, what a life, what a
Wait, what the fuck? Budots, ganun? Budots vibe?
Tatlong wife, what a life, what a life, what a life. Tatlong wife, what
Ito yung dalawang nagka-trending sa social media, di ba? Yung parang nagbubudot sa may hawak na na panyo. Yung sabay sila, pa step-step.
a life, but ako magko-malapit. Tatlong wife, what a life, what a life, what a life. Tatlong wife, what a life, what a life. Tatlong wife, what a life, what a life, what a life. Tatlong wife, what a life, but ako magko-malapit.
Rinig mo aking pangalan sa sosyalan o sa slums. Lampake sa gera ng iba, focus sa aking funds. Love nila ako sa streets, pero hate nila sa page. Doesn't matter kasi importante ako'y laging paid. Politician kung matawag ay respectfully decline. Kung hindi two joints na sign, malamang ay dollar sign. Phone lang tsaka charger, aking need gagawa ng cash. Si ganda na buang nahanap niya ako madalas. Siyempre di mo ko gusto kasi ikaw ay walang taste. Baka maging apat wife kasi puso meron pang space.
God damn it, man. Magiging awat pa yung wife, man. Hindi pa na contento sa tatlo, man. Pugoy na Koy Koy.
Dili akong tunay sa'yo even when I lie. Two joints laging sinisenyas pare hanggang mangisay.
Wife, what a life, what a life, what a life.
Hey.
Wife, what a life,
Hey.
what a life. Tatlong wife,
Oh, man, this song, man, you gotta be crazy sa mga no? Sa mga palengke, sa mga tiyanggian, no? Bumibili ka mga night market, no? Itong kanta to, man. Na magiging suki to sa mga night market, may mga palengke, ganyan.
what a life,
What a life.
what a life. Tatlong wife, what a life, but ako magko-malapit.
By the way, that line is from Stig, right? Kanta nila ni Flo G. Tatlong life, what a life, ba't ako magko-complain?
Wife, what a life, what a life, what a life. Tatlong wife, what a life, what a life. Tatlong wife, what a life, what a life, what a life.
Hoy.
Tatlong wife, what a life, but ako magko-malapit.
Wait, is that it? Man, Pugoy na Koy Koy just dropped a song about Tatlong Wife. The song is not even about Tatlong Wife, no? He's even saying in here na pwede siya magkaroon ng apat na wife. So it should be 4 wives. Dapat apat na wife eh. Like, this song has already have like 200k views now, man. 200k clicks. It's just like a Budots remix, basically. No? Pero when sa kantang to, napatunay ito na parang it doesn't matter if you get mad or not. I'm going to get paid, man. I'm going to get paid. God damn it, man. Alright, well, that's Pugoy na Koy Koy. Tatlong Wife, man. Official music video. Tatlong Wife, what a life. Ba't ako magko-complain, man? Gusto pang gawing apat, no? Bakit pag naging apat na, doon ka na mag-complain, man? But yeah, again, I feel like sobrang daming, sobrang daming, again, tama nga sinabi ni Pugoy Koy doon, no? Sa streets daw, mahal siya sa page, hindi, no? Daming bashers, ganyan. But, hindi mo may tatanggi, no? Na, again, this video uploaded 1 day ago. It has 220k views, as of this moment, man. Na yun lang yung ginawa ni Pugoy na Koy Koy doon, no? Napaka-easy na verse lang para kay Koy Koy noon. the hook is basically just a Budots remix, no? Nung linya niya sa Stig. But it has a 221k views now. And this song is gonna be a banger sa mga palengke, sa mga tianggian, sa mga night market, no? So, I mean, it's paid, man. He's paid. So yeah, that's a reaction today. Hope you guys enjoyed that, man. If you want me to react to more of Bugoy na Koy Koy, just comment down below. Or if you want me to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, just comment down below. We're gonna react to it. And that's it for me today. See you in my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.